Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to completely disable the WordPress full screen editor. Some people hate this editor view. It's quite hard to close. You can open it without you want it, and so how to disable this. This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because they bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, and many more topics. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, your domain plus WP admin, WP login, enter with username, email, and password. And after, you're gonna be into a page almost like this one. View the left sidebar of menus. Next to appearance, you're going to be able to find a menu called plugins. Hover your mouse over it and click into the submenu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, you're going to be able to see an empty field called search plugins. Right here, we're going to click and type WP Code Lite. And just like this. Here is the guide we're looking for. Click on Install Now. WP Code, insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. Then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you scroll down just a little bit, review the left sidebar of menus once again. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to locate a new menu called Code Snippets. Hover your mouse over it and click into the submenu plus Add Snippet. Right here, we're going to be able to see a couple of snippets, review this middle sidebar, and search for disable one, okay? Right here we have a couple of pre-built snippets that are really useful for your site, and that one that we are looking for is the one to disable full screen editor. Right here, yours may not show the user snippet because you need to connect with the library, so click into the button to connect, a pop-up gonna appears. You're gonna need to enter with your email, username, and password to create an account, and you're gonna be redirected back to your site with the options preview to see the code and the option to use snippet. Click on use snippet. The plugin gonna create the PHP snippet for you. Nothing much to do. All you have to do now is make it work. So into the upper right corner, next to the update blue button, there is a switcher. Change from inactive to active and hit the update button. And that is, you have disabled the full screen editor. Simple, easy, and very effective for free. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!